Hi, this is Tim Bost, editor of FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and I'm glad you could join me again today. The last time we got together, you caught me at Starbucks taking a coffee break. I was telling you then about some results I'd been getting from recent inquiries and emails with some of the readers and subscribers at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and wanted to share with you a little bit of what I've been learning. It's fascinating results. What we did was ask in a survey for everyone who was interested in answering, and we got a tremendous number of responses, by the way, some questions about astrology, trading, and preferences in the markets. One of the questions was, what kind of experience do you have in trading and astrology? And we had multiple choice here. Some experience in trading, but wanting to know more about using astrology, some knowledge of astrology, but more or less new to trading, no experience in either area, and then some background in both trading and astrology, but wanting to combine the two tools together for more effective profits in the markets. And here are the results that we got. It broke down in amazingly unequal ways here. We had 40% of people say that they have some trading experience and want to know more about using astrology in the markets. Only 7.5% have more astrology experience and want to know more about trading, and just 2.5% are totally new to both trading and astrology, which left a whopping 50% who have some experience in both areas, but they're really trying to combine the two together more effectively. And so what this is doing is helping us begin to tailor some of our programs a little bit more precisely to this particular set of needs. Another question we asked was to have people identify the areas of trading that they were interested in the most. Everything from U.S. stocks to options to Forex, exchange-traded funds, commodities, mutual funds, you name it. We had this list. And of course, in this case, people could answer more than one question. It wasn't a forced choice. So we had people responding to all the areas that they had high levels of interest in. The thing that was surprising to me was how little interest there were in some areas, like mutual funds, for example. Not many people are focusing on that. In fact, only 10% response rate to there that said people were interested in that particular kind of trading vehicle. The same thing with stock index funds. A very low percentage there, just 16% said that they were interested in that particular area. So this gives us an idea of what we can de-emphasize in some of our future programs that we're offering through FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Of course, the more interesting area was what people were interested in. Futures ranked very high on the list. 46% of people said that they're interested in trading futures, either doing it currently or want to do it in the future. Same thing was true of U.S. stocks. In fact, 49% showed an interest in U.S. stocks, and that coincided with what we saw with precious metals as well. Again, 49% of the respondents said that they're interested in either trading precious metals, they do so now, or they want to do so at some future time. But the biggie here was short-term swing trading. A whopping 59% of the respondents said that this was the area that they are most strongly interested in, short-term swing trading. And this was absolutely fascinating to me because it's one of the key areas that we focus on with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. More than any other style of trading, this is what we tend to put most of our attention on. So when you go to FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, you'll get a variety of information there. Certainly this key focus on short-term swing trading. We also have a lot of information there on U.S. stocks and trading U.S. stocks, as well as information on precious metals on a regular basis. But the core focus for FinancialCyclesWeekly.com is astro-trading, combining astrology with trading skills to produce astro-trading plans and more profits for you in the process, of course. For example, earlier this week we posted this chart analysis of WellPoint, traded in the New York Stock Exchange, symbol WLP, and this is what we published on the website February 21st, 2010. We noted that sixth harmonic Mars and Poseidon have helped set up the boundaries to this stock's trading in recent months. Right now, it looks like the first harmonic increment of the Poseidon line will continue to provide solid support for WLP as we move ahead. That's why we plan to add a long position early in the trading week. We'll set our initial stop at 56.75. We maintain a model portfolio with the FinancialCyclesWeekly.com and track particular stock positions based on our analysis using astro-trading techniques there on the website. This is what happened after the publication. This heavy horizontal green line is that Poseidon support we were looking at, and in the three trading days following that, of course, it bounced off of that support and began to move upward. This is not a tremendous move price-wise. It wasn't a huge swing, but it did set up a profitable situation for one of our members. Victoria from Michigan sent us an email 3 days later on February 24th, and she said, I bought 5 calls of WLP yesterday, sold it at noon today, made me $400 plus, more than enough to pay my utility bills for this month. I could not have done it without you. Thank you so much. It's been snowing here all day. We've had about 8 inches since Monday. So Victoria was very pleased with the results, and we were even more pleased to see the results that she had been getting. You know, when you can do something practical with the money you can make in the markets, even if it's just paying your utility bills for the month, then I think that's a valuable kind of thing. And we certainly want to encourage all of you to take a look at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. If you're not already a member there, take a look at the benefits for membership and see what's available there for it. So thanks for taking time to join me. I've got some more information based on this research that we've been doing. I'll be sharing that in another video. Once I take another break and get some more coffee, I'll get that posted. Thanks again for joining me.